one eye is your dominant eye, one is not your weak eye. So even though you use both eyes, one eye is not that weak.
Both eyes.
Both eyes. So right now you want to see which one is your strong eye? Strong eye? Normally if you're right-handed, right eye, left hand, left eye, but sometimes you use both hands. Well,
but one eye. Okay. Can you another?
Yeah. You're going to keep both eyes.
Oh.
Okay. You one, so it's going to be off. That's why you use both eyes. But you normally focus on one eye, but you use the other eye open. So that's really definitely something. You want to find out which one's your strong eye?
Yeah.
Stand right there. Make your hand like this. Just hold a magnet about that big. Okay, so a little bit smaller. Okay, a little smaller. Okay, put it straight in front of you. Okay, look through it. Put that hole on my nose. Okay?
Hold on.
Yeah, where the little hole is? Put it where my nose is. Okay? And then a little bit wider. And bring it back to your face. No, not to your nose, but back to your face. Bring it. Look through the hole, and then keep my nose in that center, and then bring it back to your face. While looking through the hole. Okay, are you right-handed or left-handed? Right-handed? So you bring it back to your left side. When you do this, when you bring it back, you bring it over your left side.
Oh.
This way to left side. Okay. But look through the hole with both your eyes. Okay. Both eyes. And bring it straight back to your face. While looking my nose in the middle. So you bring it back to your left side right now. That means your left side dominant. So either you're ambidextrous or that means you're reaching left-handed.
So I need to use
Your left hand. Focus on your left hand. It's a little difficult because if you're right hand, you have to do this. Which is a little bit difficult. Normally right eye, right arm is easier. Left side. But you naturally your left side dominant. But you're using the right hand. Okay? When you bring it in, it's like
Yeah.
this a little bit.
Oh.
It's more difficult. You have to practice. Let me get to it. Don't go with them.